Hey guys, it's Dad and Some Doodle, and today we are doing the
Toboggan roller coaster at Little Amerricka theme park. This is a classic roller coaster, really hard to find. We both had a blast, so we hope you enjoy this point of view ride along. We didn't exceed the weight limit.
I know, that's why I was like, are we too fat?
As you can tell by the commentary from Dad and Mom, this was a fun roller coaster. We hope you enjoyed.
and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing.
More Little Amerricka content coming soon. Take care.